Hello everyone and welcome to Raquel Teaches. In today's lesson, I'm going to be teaching you how you can upgrade the page numbering in your Microsoft Word document so that you can display the total number of pages in your document. So let's get started. Okay, so here I have a document that I filled with some, generic filler text. And as you can see, it is multiple pages. I've added a footer, and in the footer, I've added page numbering. So as we scroll down to each page, we see page 1, page 2, etc. Okay, and yeah, that's great if you want to know what page you're on. But what if you want to be sure of the total number of pages in the document? Well, Microsoft Word has a feature that lets you insert that information in your document so that it's displayed for everyone to see, anybody who's using the document. All right, so there are a few steps that you have to take first. First, you want to make sure that your cursor is in the correct position and you have the text that you want to display in that position. So for example, for this document, I want this footer to say page 1 of whatever number of pages in the document. As we scroll down to the end of this document example, we can see that this document has 4 pages, right? So my goal is for the footer to say page 1 of 4, page 2 of 4, etc. So first I want to make sure I have all the text to make that happen first. So it already says page 1. I'm going to make sure my cursor's in the footer, add a space and type the word of and one more space. And now I can insert the information to calculate the total number of pages in the document and display it in the footer. And the way that we do that is by using the insert menu. So when you click on the insert menu at the top of your ribbon here, you're going to go all the way over to the right and you're going to use this button in the text group called Quick Parts. Okay, and you'll notice just by hovering over it that one of the things that it provides is access to fields, right? And that's what we're going to be using for this option. So when you click on the drop-down menu for Quick Parts, you're going to then click on where it says Field. When you click on Field, it will display this window where now you can select from a list of fields that you can insert in the footer portion of the document. So for this example, I'm going to be scrolling down until I see a field that's called Num Pages. Okay, and we see it right here, Num Pages. Now, once you click on Num Pages to select it, you also have additional options as far as the number format and if you want to change the numeric format as well. In this case, I'm only going to be making a selection for the number format, and I'm just going to be using regular old plain Roman numerals since this is what I'm already using in the document. And I'm not going to make a selection for numeric format. I am going to leave the checkbox on or activated next to the option for preserve formatting during updates. Once that is done, I can just click on OK. And now we see that the footer has been updated and it includes the count of the total number of pages in the document. And if I just want to verify that it's working correctly, I can scroll through the document now and I can see that it is indeed correct. It's showing page 2 of 4, page 3 of 4, and page 4 of 4. Okay, so that's what you need to do to be able to edit or update the page numbering option in your Word document to be able to display not only the number of the page that you're on, but also the total number of pages in the document. I hope that you found that useful. If you did, please take a moment to click like on this video and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you for watching and have a great day.